is up, guys? Back with another video. This video really has no point to it. Well, we're not going to be sanding the truck or doing motor work or nothing. Well, I don't think so anyway. From the last video you guys seen, it freaking barely snowed and the streets, let me unlock this. The streets are all icy. You guys can't really tell, but you know what that means. We're about to go try to have some fun. About to go meet up with Nick and stuff, and we'll see what the day brings. Stay tuned. Sorry, my truck's kind of loud. Oh, now we're not going nowhere. I should have recorded me going around the corner. Dang, this sucks. Well, can't really do nothing now because this is Broadway and there's a bunch of cops. Broadway, so, and as you guys can tell, the roads aren't that bad over here. I should have put the stock wheels back on because with these wheels I have on, I'm super low. But here we go. Here's what we've been. It's not even. Woo. Whoa! Dang! Oh shit! You guys should have seen that. Man, we are sideways down the whole block right there. Oh, I'm super low. Dang, you guys should have seen that. Oh shit! Wait till he records. Now we're just going in circles. I'm gonna give him the camera real quick. I'm gonna go in the circle.
I want to do that. There it goes. Yeah, it is. You ruined it.
Let's go follow them. Here.
Are you gonna ask her?
Yeah. We got Nicholas driving. Don't crash it. You know he was drifting already. You think it'll be better? I should have put my stock wheels back on. Should I get out and show them? Ooh. Should we tell them to go to the spot? You guys can't tell, but we're sideways.
We can't even go nowhere.
Because there's no weight. Don't crash. I hope we don't curb my wheels.
These curbs won't do it.
You don't think so? It'll just beat them?
I hit the curb. Hold on, the Jeep right here?
I should title this Jeep on 26s. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get out over there in that parking lot. I'm gonna record this right here and then.
I'm gonna call Kelsey real quick.
Where is she?
Inside.
Oh no, I guess we're just drifting right here.
He's gonna wreck into us once.
Nah, he better not wreck into us. We're gonna be doing tandems over there in the ice.
I might.
We're stuck now. This is pretty dangerous. Don't go fast. Oh, I'm about to fucking... This is not gonna end well. That was not.
Oh, shit.
Oh damn, the cops are here.
And fucking don't.
Oh damn, look. The cops are over there looking. Is he coming? Oh, he's dumb.
No insurance out of that.
No. I thought there was a bigger parking lot.
That is the biggest.
That is the biggest one.
Oh really?
Yeah.
You think we'll get in trouble if we go through donuts? Don't wreck it.
That's why the cop's sitting in there.
You're illegal. I'll do it right in front of him.
You're illegal because you're driving.
Okay, so then what if it...
What's today's date?
Fuck your park.
So what?
Man, please don't.
Oh yeah, we're so getting in trouble.
Don't, please.
I'm gonna do it right in front of his ass.
No, don't. Don't fucking terrorize him.
You guys can see what that is. Oh, we're so getting in trouble.
Yeah, go ahead and name. You're a dummy.
Don't hit it. Oh, we're so gonna get in trouble.
He thinks I'm fucking dumb for doing it right in front of his ass.
Look at him. Look at him.
Just sit there.
Should I get out? Is he coming?
No?
No?
You can't say shit.
Why? I'm pretty sure he can.
Get out.
Should I get out? Yeah, let me get out right here. Don't hit that shit. Let me get out now.
Like that.
Chris is dumb for coming.
Wait, let me get in the front.
Hold on. Are you pressing the gas?
No.
The wheel's spinning.
No, they do that.
Why?
It's just because we're in.
Alright, you guys seen the cops. He's not. Sorry for the wind. Oh, dude, we're gonna get. I don't see how we're not getting in trouble. It's so cold too. He's going all the way over there. Wait till the cops come. I keep telling him not to wreck my truck because I know I'll be. Oh shoot! I'll be mad. Oh look, he's coming. Oh, he's getting in trouble. Oh, he's getting in trouble. Hell yeah.
That's a parking lot. You can do that.
I thought so. Oh, he's still getting in trouble. I don't know.
Especially in front of a cop. Kind of not very smart, right?
Right. Good. Yeah. Oh, you don't want to pose? Yeah. I'm gonna get a couple pictures. It's not movie mode. It's alright.
On Chris's again.
What you guys seen? We just got in trouble. Oh shit!
That was tight.
All of it in the circle.
Nah, I can still do it.
This is getting fogged up now. Probably gonna go inside and take a break after this. My hands are freaking frozen. Don't hit the curb.
I gotta hit this right spot over here just to get it started.
Oh, you're gonna hit the curb.
Stood outside while he did that.
Oh, it's so cold.
What's dragging?
It's awesome.
Yeah, he probably followed us. Oh shit! Is everything all good still?
Catch me on ready, set, drift.
Ready, set, drift. Don't hit this truck, bro.
Whenever you first pulled up, Chris thought
Tell them
you
to
hit
give
his
him the
truck.
camera and tell him to get that.
Get this.
Put it out on the window. I'd rather... Oh, shit! No! My gas tank fucking flying around.
Yeah.
Let's go up the hill one more time and then let's take a break.
Show my mom.
Let's we're gonna... Yeah, I'm going to. Yeah. What? Hope you guys enjoyed that video of us hooning around and messing around. Who asked if the cop was... Oh no. My friend asked if the cop was set up. I mean, how would we get a cop to set up right there and do what we did? I don't know, but that was real. And I don't know what else. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment any questions or anything you want to see. And be sure to hit that subscribe button, because I know a lot of you aren't subscribed. Thanks for watching. Peace.